Cutting races. Open all the logs that you want to use for cutting the race. If you gave them the same title when importing, you can open them all at once. Locate the race segment in the logs. The easiest way to do this is by observing the speed over ground graph. Adjust the sliders around the race time and use the Zoom In button to stretch the sliders for finer tuning. Ensure that the wind direction is set correctly. Click on the Suggested Wind Direction button if needed. Now, you can set the start line. This step is optional, as you can cut the race without it. Here, we use data pinged by the boats to choose the port and starboard sides of the line. For more details about the start line, check out our dedicated start line tutorial video. Move the start slider to the race's start time. If you have already set the start time event, simply bring it close to that event. Position the end slider to where the leading boat crosses the finish line. Now, tap the menu button, Log, and then Cut Race. Here, you can choose the start time of the race. It can be at the start slider time or at the nearest start event. Next, set the pre-start time that will be included in the log. Finally, define the finish of the race. We will use the leading log's end timestamp, so the finish line will be at that boat's last selected timestamp position. The other options include cutting the race as the boats cross the start line or finish line if we set one. You can enter an optional title and comments for the race. The race will be cut for all logs, and all new logs will appear in the Files window, marked as new. You can repeat this process for the other races of the day. Once you're done, close the all-day log and open the newly cut races. Your race log will be ready, making it easy to browse through the legs of the race.